Skin problems can be some of the most frustrating issues faced by dog owners and their veterinarians. And it's no wonder. The skin is the largest organ in the body, and there are more than 160 different skin diseases identified in the dog. But don't worry, I'm here to help you try to sort some of this out. Fortunately, some skin problems can be fairly easily diagnosed and even treated with natural, gentle remedies. Unfortunately, there are some conditions that are harder to diagnose and often require a treatment plan, really a combination of different things to help resolve the problem. The message that I really want you to take home today is that in order to create a successful treatment strategy, we really need an accurate diagnosis. And I want to talk about a few frequent issues that I see come up in my own practice. For example, what is that white, moist, flaky stuff on your dog's skin? Well, there can be a lot of causes. Things like mites, infections caused by yeast, bacterial, or fungal organisms. Even allergies, either to something in the diet or in the environment, can cause this skin change. There can also be more serious causes, like different types of cancer or disease that affects internal organs can manifest as skin problems. Now, a very common topic is itching. I see a lot of itchy dogs, and a question came in actually through the Pet Honesty website that I want to read because it's so descriptive. Why is my dog itching himself to the point where his skin is red and raw? It's starting to scab over and I can't get him to stop. It sounds miserable, right? Well, there are a lot of causes for itching skin. The most common would be mites, fleas, allergies to food, or allergies to something in the environment. Be prepared to work with your veterinarian over maybe a period of time to really figure this one out, as it can take some time. Now, when our dogs start losing clumps of fur, that can be very alarming. The question here is the fur just falling out on its own, or is the dog chewing and pulling the fur out? If the dog is actually chewing and pulling his or her fur out, they're probably itchy, and we need to go through that list of causes for itchy skin. If the fur is just falling out on its own, we start to look at other things like hormonal fluctuations, maybe in a female dog that hasn't been spayed yet, or hormonal imbalances. For example, a dog that's low in thyroid levels, or a dog that's suffering from Cushing's disease, where the body's making too much steroid. Now, another issue that we see frequently are lumps and bumps. Now, dogs can develop lumps or masses on the surface of the skin, within the skin, or beneath the skin. And they can occur anywhere, on the head, the back, even the tail, along the legs, the chest, the belly, even between the toes. Sometimes the masses are cysts and they drain fluid. Sometimes they're completely closed off. Anytime you see a mass that is growing quickly, is painful, or if it's on the surface of the skin and it's red or black, I want you to get it checked out by your veterinarian right away. Remember, you are your dog's best advocate for his or her health. Anytime you notice changes in their skin or coat health, check in with your veterinarian sooner rather than later.